Does your guitar make such a boring buzzing sound? Don't worry, it is not spoiled. Don't hurry to go buy another one. Don't even take it for repairs. It is okay. Apart from some little mistakes that you are doing that I want to show you, 5 of them to make you correct whatever is happening to you. Number 1, you are not holding close enough. You are not pressing the strings close enough to the fretboard, to the fret. For example, if you want to hold this chord here, make sure you hold, if you want to play this note, you hold it next to this metal and not on this metal, and apply for both of the strings. Then you shall have a clean sound. Practice that slowly by slowly until you shall have a full playing kind of exercise that is more professional than buzzing sound. When you do that, your strings shall be, your fingers shall be okay to play at any time, even on stage, so that you don't make noise with buzzing sounds of the strings. So you place your fingers next to the fret metal, but not on the metal, and you practice that every now and then. Number 2, you are not applying enough finger pressure. If you want to play, for example, this chord G, apply pressure in holding the strings the same way I've taught you, next to the fret to the fret metal here, but not on the metal. So you play a very clean sound, not buzzing. Remember, that buzzing sound is what we want to avoid. But why is it buzzing? In this case, it is buzzing because you don't. I have assumed that all the strings are affected. No, only from this note, from the string A, is affected. Do not include this E. That is something you have to know. For example, if you want to play D here, you start with string D. Don't start with A or E. Don't start like that. D. So that when you play D on the C shape, the same sound shall be available. When you play D on the A shape, the same sound applies. So it is very important that you be very keen on how to hold the strings and how to press the strings on the fretboard. Number 3, your finger is accidentally touching another string. So by your finger accidentally touching another string, you employ some muting technique so that it, even if it is touched, it doesn't sound affecting your playing. So applying some muting technique so that your finger doesn't, the sounding of that affected string doesn't affect your playing process. Number 4, your guitar needs a setup. Possibly you have not just tuned your guitar to the level that is needed. So I urge you to go, if you have a phone, download Guitar Tuner and tune your guitar properly so that it is well set up, such that G shall sound G, C shall sound C, D shall sound D, C shall sound, and that is very important. Setting up your guitar is very important. And the neck board, the neck of your guitar also, this part sometimes bring challenges. The knobs, make sure the knobs are tightening very nicely so that you don't have a problem with your playing process. Number 5, and is the last one, when you are strumming so hard, it becomes a very big problem. Sometimes you just need to relax your fingers. You just need to put flexibility of your wrist. So that flexibility, don't strum so hard that is affecting your guitar. So remember that buzzing string does not mean that your guitar is in problems. What it simply means that some mistakes are revolving around your guitar, and you just need to correct the mistakes, practice for cleaner chords and better playing, better chords, cleaner notes, better chords, and also confidence. Just create some confidence in playing, because at some point you shall realize that you are on stage with other people and that confidence is not there because you don't have cleaner notes and better chords. So I am very happy that you have been watching me up to this point. Please, if this video has been of help to you, consider subscribing and sharing my content, and may God bless you. One-on-one lesson is on 0792544905, and may God be with you.